Welcome back to the channel, Car Revive. Okay, today we're going to be doing a DUI on interior cleaning. You could do this at home yourself basically, and even make a little money off of it, charging people. I would say the first things first, you would probably want to start with dry cleaning. Everybody knows what dry cleaning is, obviously. And as you can see, same method, just a different equation with removing the seat out of the car. Here it goes. Check that out, guys. This car is very, very dirty. And not only that, the previous owner, he was a soup eater. So when I first bought the car, it was crackers in the inside. So just imagine, like, I'm basically, most of this stuff kind of came from me in a way, from the kids or whatever, but yeah, we're doing something about it now, whatever. So I got most of this dry cleaned. I'm gonna start the vacuuming process. I just wanted you guys to get a good before and after look of the inside. This is the driver's side before the vacuuming. right, guys, this is the carpet 24 hours after drying. It's fairly dry. I can tell you this much, it's a whole lot more cleaner too. Today I'm gonna most likely put the bolts back in after they set in the rust remover. Install all 4 bolts, and most likely probably clean this thing up and the inside a little bit more as the days go on, just so I get it up to my satisfactory. But overall, it's clean. This is the back. Got a few stains that didn't come out, like this right here. Still kind of soapy right here actually, so I may have to get some towels to drop that excess water. Overall, like I said, it's clean in here. I may pay a little extra money just to see how much more cleaner I can get it, or just maybe possibly, yeah, pay a little extra money to get it a little bit more cleaner in here. But yeah, that's the front. This is the front driver's side, and this is the passenger. Passenger side, which wasn't that dirty to begin with. It was really the driver's side. I mean, how much cleaner can it get? But yeah, you can see a difference from here to that. But like I said, it's a working process. Overall, I'm satisfied with how much cleaner it got. But I do plan on putting like some floor mats in here, so that'll make things, or keep things a whole lot cleaner. Still working on the seat arrangements. Don't know what I'm gonna do as far as seats. But yeah, this thing needs some new seats, definitely. All right, guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Feel free to leave any thoughts on what you think, on what you like, what you've seen so far. If you dislike anything, let me know. I'm open to taking suggestions. If anybody's out there with any clips, feel free to leave what you did to one. Big things are coming to the build, so just stay tuned. Peace, you guys.